Hey, welcome, this is Learn JavaScript for Beginners series, and you are in Beyond the Basics YouTube channel. Here you will find lots of video tutorials about programming taught by me. My name is Omar Ahmad. In this journey, I will be your teacher. If you are ready, get comfortable. We have started. JavaScript is a dynamic computer programming language. It's lightweight and most commonly used as a part of web pages, whose implementations allow client-side script to interact with the user and make dynamic pages. It's an interpreted programming language with object-oriented capabilities. Modern JavaScript is a safe programming language. It doesn't provide low-level access to memory or CPU because it was initially created for browsers which don't require it. For instance, Node.js supports functions that allow JavaScript to read or write arbitrary files, perform network requests, and etc. In browser, JavaScript can do everything related to web page manipulation, interaction with the user and the web server. For instance, in browser, JavaScript is able to add new HTML to the page, change the existing content, modify styles, react to user actions, run on mouse clicks, pointer movements, key presses, send requests over the network to remote servers, download and upload files, so-called AJAX and Comet technologies, get and set cookies, ask questions to the visitor, show messages, remember the data on the client side, which is called local storage. And what makes JavaScript unique? Full integration with HTML and CSS, simple things are done simply, supported by all major browsers and enabled by default. JavaScript is the only browser technology that combines these three things. That's what makes JavaScript unique. That's why it's the most important and widespread tool for creating browser interfaces. That said, JavaScript also allows to create servers, mobile applications, and etc. Languages over JavaScript. The syntax of JavaScript doesn't suit everyone's needs. Different people want different features.
The world is infinite, the possibilities are endless, and there are a billion different paths for you.
That's to be expected, because projects and requirements are different for everyone. So recently a plethora of new languages appeared, which are transpiled or converted to JavaScript before they run in the browser. Modern tools make the transpilation very fast and transparent, actually allowing developers to code in another language and auto-converting it under the hood. Examples of such languages: CoffeeScript. It's a syntactic sugar for JavaScript. It introduces shorter syntax, allowing us to write clearer and more precise code. Usually Ruby developers like it. TypeScript. It's concentrated on adding strict data typing to simplify the development and support of complex systems. It's developed by Microsoft. Flow. It also adds data typing, but in a different way, developed by Facebook. And finally, Dart. It's a standalone language that has its own engine that runs in non-browser environments like mobile apps, but also can be transpiled to JavaScript, and it's developed by Google.